how to upload CV on ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ZipRecruiter.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile name drop down on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Manage Profile option. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the Upload CV option. Tap on that and further select the file containing your CV and tap on the Open button now. Wait for the attachment to upload, and once the upload is completed, scroll down to the bottom until you see the Update Profile button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, your CV will be uploaded successfully. So, this is how you can upload CV on ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.